right. Okay, everybody, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ms.
Good
Mayor.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ms. Morris.
Good afternoon. Please note that behavior bingo has started. Okay, so our lesson today, for your warm-up, we're gonna start off just a little differently. Oh, no, let's start with the CRE, I'm sorry. So my classroom leader, if you can go ahead. Everybody did a good job getting their folders. Again, remember, behavior bingo is that I'm watching everybody. Everyone's being watched, and you will get a plus for every good behavior that I think you're doing. There's a total of 6 that you can get for the whole class period. This is not the time to ask questions. You get 8 coverings for each positive for behavior bingo.
Classroom expectation. Cooperation means helping out. Like teamwork. Assertiveness means.
Let's go back to cooperation.
Cooperation means helping out, like working together.
Okay, I have to hear the word. Pardon?
As a group.
As a group. Okay. A stands for what?
Taking action or believing in yourself.
What the A stands for?
Assertiveness.
Okay.
Taking action, believing in yourself.
And what's the suggestion that somebody has said assertiveness could mean?
You don't gotta be scared to ask for help. Always
Excellent.
ask for help if you don't know the question.
Excellent. Okay.
Respect. Not calling your teacher bro. Paying attention. Listening to the speaker without talking. And yeah, or calling Miss Taylor bro. Empathy. Showing you care for somebody without saying it. Simple show. Stopping yourself from doing something that you know gonna get you in trouble. Safety. Making sure all the pencils safe.
Okay. So we're having a little modification in our transfer warm-up, but I do want you to turn to number 19 and number 20 on your worksheet. Everybody should be able to do that. Your worksheet like this. Finding the slope. All right. I'll leave that right there. Okay, I'm gonna put on some focus music. I'm gonna walk around and make sure everyone is understanding 19 and 20. The directions say write the intercept form of the equation for each line. You all should be able to do that. Let me model to you because I remember I had put 19 and 20 because yeah. So let me model to you because this is a little something. I'm gonna write this in red because I still want to keep that up here. So it says write the slope intercept form of the equation of each line. Remember, this is what we learned in this week. This is the slight intercept form. Y equals the slope plus where it intercepts on the y-axis. But as you look at number 17, if you want to write this down, you can, or you can refer it up at the page. Be up at the board. Number 17. I'm gonna model to you guys because I want you guys to do number 19 and 20. So, you gotta get it looking like this. So Y need to be on this side, all right? So here's the problem. Everybody got that on number 17? When you cross over to the equal sign, the sign changes. So we're gonna bring this 12y over here, because we need y over here, equals minus 9x, right? And we're gonna take this 12 over here, so when we change it, what kind of 12 is this right here? A positive, so we're gonna bring it
12.
over to the, so now it's gonna be a negative
Yeah.
12, okay? What I write, you write. This is for number 17. Oh, incidentally, Damon, you got a bonus point I put on, your point system for being the greatest note taker.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. So, we gotta get it looking like this. Y needs to be by itself. What's going on here? What does this say? 12 times Y, right?
Yeah, you gotta minus it.
If it says 12 times Y, what's the opposite of times?
Division.
So we gotta divide each side by 12.
Then that side, then the 12y be crossed off, then the y just come down.
So we're gonna cross this 12 off, and we're gonna have the Y come down.
Equal.
And then we making these two separate equations. So we got a minus 9x over 12, subtract 12 over 12. Just looking at that 12 over 12, what does that equal? Any number over itself equals what?
Positive. Not positive.
This class, no, any number.
Oh, one.
One. Good job saying one, our team. So that 12 over 12 is gonna be minus 1. What is the biggest number that can go into 9 and 12?
3.
3. 3 goes into 9 how many times?
3.
3 times,
And 4.
and then 4. So, to do number 19 for your warm-up, and I'm probably gonna have you only do, do number 19. Again, you wanna try and get the Y by itself. Okay, so I'm gonna walk around, make sure everybody's doing that. You are working on number 19. I picked two of them that should make, that's not very hard, because I just need for you to understand. When you switch it, again, Rodney, because I see you back there, good job. Like, okay, you're back there reasoning. Remember 19, it says 0 equals a negative 2y. That's what you have in your paper. 0 equals negative 2y, right? Equals plus 6. So you gotta get the 2y over on this side.
So you're gonna bring that to the first one.
So you're gonna flip it over, you're trying to get it over to the other side of equal sign. And if you see it as a negative 2y, when you flip it over, you gotta change the sign, so it's gonna be a positive 2y. You're rewriting it.
So it's plus 2y then?
Let's see
Right
here. Okay, so now you got the y over here, so you really got rid of this.
Yeah.
And you put it over here, so put equal. What do you have left over here?
Plus 6.
Hmm?
Wait, over here.
What do you have left over here on this side?
Negative 2y.
What do you have left right here? What is that number right
6.
here? Yeah.
That's what I said, plus 6.
Oh, I didn't hear you say plus 6. But you don't have to write the plus sign, right?
Oh, yeah, 6.
Okay, so now you're trying to get y by itself. You got it set up right. But once you, I should have did that step. Where did eraser just go? Okay. Oh, you over here twisting your hair up.
I'm already done.
You braiding it. You didn't get any hair stuff? Who took it? It's gone.
What happened?
The hair stuff is gone. I'm gonna have to bring some more in.
Who took? Who took? Oh, they took the hair stuff. Oh,
This
that's
is
great.
2y, you forgot the equal sign. That should say 2y equals 6. Okay, so 2y equals 6, you need to divide by 2. What do you have left over here? No, you have the letter here, the variable. Yeah. Okay, you leave right here. And then put the equal. Okay, So that's right. Okay. So I'm seeing where when it says 0, I'm seeing, I probably should have had you guys see that step instead of doing it in your head. So if we're trying to get it over there, we gotta add 2y on this side. What we do over here, we gotta do over here. So we left with 2y. These cancel out. What are we left with?
2y.
What are we left with over here? What's that?
Oh, 6 positive.
Positive 6, but you don't say the positive down like that. Just say 6.
And that's the answer, right?
It gotta be in this format. You
Oh,
gotta
yeah.
get, you gotta get y by itself. So what do?
You gotta subtract it. You subtract it.
Huh?
You subtract it.
You divide.
Oh yeah, 2 times y. I keep forgetting.
And these cancel out. Y equals 6 divided by 2 is
3.
3. That was number 19. What about 20?
20?
Mm-hmm. Remember, this y equals mx plus b. Oh gosh, I hate to erase this, but it's okay. Number 20.
Negative 2 equals negative y.
Negative 2x
equals y.
equals minus 5y.
And then
So we got to get the y on the other side, so we want to add 5y to both sides. Okay. This cross out, we got 0 over here equals 5y minus 2x. Now, we gotta get that x over here, so we gotta add 2x. Whatever we do to this side, we do to the other side. That's 5y, cross that out, equals 2x.
no.
I just went that something. Okay. I wonder if I got the wrong subject. Thank you so much.
Did you order this too? Still asking around on this one.
KP.
So, what do I do? How do I get y by itself?
Divide.
Divide by what?
2. I mean,
Huh?
5.
you can't. Wait.
You divide by,
5.
Kevion, what do I divide by?
To get y by itself?
Uh-huh,
5.
5, that's right.
5.
You had said that too, Auntie. You had said that. I was just trying to see if he was paying attention. Then we cross out the 5, we're left with y equals 2 divided by 5x. So I really did these, you were supposed to do these on your own. However, I felt the need to show how we went through each step. Do number 22.
Ooh. Let me do 21. Cause
It's so much. We don't have to do all of that. Do number 22. Everybody do 22.
like all my notes was like,
You said what?
Yeah. Honey, donut shop.
Okay. You need to make sure you write the steps of what I have done. Let's see why. Number 20 should look just like what I have on the board.
so like this.
Mm-hmm. I think we need the eraser.
Oh, good.
Oh, okay. All right.
Wait, you too. Okay, I don't got no Y.
The y is the 2.
Okay. I'm gonna let you guys do that for a minute. And you gonna finish writing what's up on the board?
Yeah.
Erase that for me.
Class leader.
Because what I'm trying to figure out, and what takes a lot of planning and practice, is when you're doing a foods activity, you gotta think about all the safety, and who's doing what. And so, making sure you all understand. So, I will pass this around. This is what we're gonna make tomorrow. Okay, thank you. That's called Yuka. Not one, let them have both at the same time.
I'm finna use.
No, you're not, no, you're not.
You right.
Okay, and, yeah. So it's Yuka, it fell, it was a long thing, it was a big, long, yep, and it fell. I'm like, good, because it is so hard to cut Yuka.
You ever gonna make it?
Uh-huh,
Yeah, it was-
Tomorrow?
uh-huh.
This how it originally looked.
Okay, yep, it did. Pass it to somebody else.
Don't open it, just.
He can if he wants to, pass it around.
It smells like a monkey.
Smells like a pumpkin? Okay.
Careful, don't drop.
We make a Yukon fries.
Yuka fries, what goes with fries?
What you talking about, like a side dish?
No, okay,
A
first of
main
all,
Why is wet, Ms. Morris?
because, it broke, and you do keep it refrigerated.
Hey, so what you mean, like what goes with fries?
Yeah, I'm thinking eggs.
Come on, you know we can do eggs.
No,
Eggs.
eat eggs.
Yeah, eggs.
Good, more for us.
Eggs.
Oh, eat eggs.
Good, more for us. So we're gonna make,
Scrambled
I
eggs.
miss,
Yuka
No,
fries.
I'm gonna make the eggs.
No,
I'm
make-
the best at making eggs.
no, make eggs that's got the yolk in the middle,
No.
the yellow spot.
No.
And I'm not making it for you, my
Right.
objective today, like, I wanted you guys just to get that a
You said
little
you're not
back
making
in,
it
but
for
we
us.
need to prepare for tomorrow.
You said you're not making it for us.
Y'all gonna make it up, we're gonna
Who
buy
making
more
it for you?
recipes. Huh?
Who making it for you?
For y'all to eat.
You just said you're not making it for us.
I'm not making it, you're gonna learn how to make it.
Oh, I know how to make yours.
This is like
Wait a
that
second,
one
what
dude
you
off
call
the
It's
Yuka.
Yuka.
I know how to make it.
off the Toons.
No,
What's his name? What's that cartoon name?
So,
No.
I'm looking at, okay, first of all, we're gonna use a recipe, so I'm looking at,
What recipe you want?
I wanna
well,
make- I
this
wanna
is,
make-
I'm trying to teach you how to find a recipe or what to look for.
Like that.
Thank you.
We should look in the book.
Yeah, we're gonna take that over to the kitchen when we'll see what all we need to do.
When?
Right now?
Today?
All right, first we gotta choose a recipe, so when you're looking for recipes, see this one say 4.6.
Yep.
These other two say five.
The second one, let's do the second
But
one.
then the second one say 55 minutes.
Now we'll say 45.
So I'm gonna say 45.
See, this
Okay, I mean,
this
yes.
this what y'all gotta learn, man.
And one of them said
The
that
short, the shorter the better. Who got?
and one of them said that my Dominican
All right.
25 minutes? Oh yeah.
No, I have 41 right now.
No, we need 25.
This one right here.
We need 25 minutes, right?
But it said 3.6. Well, the ingredients
What?
are good: lime, cayenne pepper,
It's
sea
gonna take
salt.
about 25 minutes
Yeah.
for us to cut it up.
Yeah, I think this
I'm
one
gonna
right.
have to cut
They
it.
just
You just gotta get strong.
because they don't got nothing with it.
Well, let's just even see how, let's go to a YouTube thing, how
I did 60 pictures
How to
outside my
make-
room. And
how
then
to
went in my room and did.
make fries. So what I do, you do, like,
We don't even
this got 137, what is sudata? Okay.
Okay.
No,
yeah.
It's a sauce.
It's
How to make crispy fries.
Okay,
Yuka.
how to make what?
That one.
That's
I got
not
31,000.
That's not fries.
the first one got 133K.
Okay, let's look
The
at this.
third one got 300K.
But it's 9 minutes long, so, let's see here, hold up.
300,000.
That was like 306,000 views.
Wait, go back up.
Yes, this one right here. 1 minute and 16 seconds. Look.
Oh yeah, that one right there. That one look bad.
That would look
Yeah,
so
that one gonna
good.
be nasty too. Not true.
That would look so good. Just because they don't got that many views, that don't mean it. I just need that many people.
That gotta be ketchup.
What's going on with the volume? Oh, it's not.
Well, you need somebody to work this.
Slice it.
Oh, we gonna need a real knife.
I'll do the reading.
I can't see because, folks here anyway.
So we making fries.
Transfer to a bowl. Soak it in cold water.
We just
I'm just doing the reading. Just take some.
Drain.
Drain.
Fresh water.
I can talk. Boil for 20 minutes, then drain. Spices. Oil.
MacBook.
Toss.
Stay fried.
Transfer to air fryer or oven.
Yeah.
An air fryer?
You
I
got
thought something they have in there. I don't
Air
like that.
fryer at
I'm gonna do it in a, it's gonna have to be in a skillet.
We can do it right away, huh? Those not fries.
the miss.
You mean with like the I'm not
Ooh, them look so
grease and
good.
stuff? The grease?
How many fries in?
With grease?
Skillet.
With grease?
Yeah, and
Oh,
you know
yeah.
that when we do this,
Big Heavy Beagle still going on.
yes, everything goes still going on. When we do make this, they gonna already be cut up.
I'm talking about,
We not.
I'm talking about Big Heavy
Can you
Beagle.
please cut them out? That's real fries, please, nigga.
I'm talking about Big Heavy Beagle
Real
be
fry.
going on while we doing this.
They don't even say skillet in the oven.
You heard me, Mr.
Okay, it's supposed to say how to make yuca fries in a skillet or on the stove.
Hey, Miss Morris, can I make the egg oven? Definitely. I used to
On the
eat 10
stove.
eggs at one time.
Let's see this one right here, cause I wanna know.
Not to put your face too close to the pot, because if there's any air pockets in the fries from when you were rolling them, they can pop.
Ooh.
Like that.
I got popped in my stomach by one of those in my face.
It didn't get on my face. Oh wow, it's all over me.
Why is that doing that?
Seven.
Hi, I'm Anita from Anita's Yogurt. We're gonna be making my favorite yuca fries and also yuca sudada, which is a steamed
Somebody got
yuca
seven.
tomato sauce.
So we won't be doing that, we're gonna,
In your
we gonna
local
use
grocery
this
store.
We gotta buy out.
Mexican sauce right here. salsa.
And it has
Come on,
much
what
more
is
that?
Okay, wait a second.
potatoes. So I'm gonna show you how to
Just
do
lemon
it.
pepper?
The first thing I do is I start by cutting off the bottom and the top of the yuca. And when you're going to the grocery store to select yuca to buy, one trick you can use to make sure that it's fresh is you kind of pop off the bottom and you want to make sure that it's completely white inside. If you see any discoloration, any blacks, you also want to look for a regular peeler to do this because the skin is so tough. I think it actually would be more difficult with the peeler, and I don't want to.
She's wrong, because I do these all the time, and I
And then
bought
once I have
a peeler now,
chuck it
school
in the
peelers,
water
we're gonna see.
and grab another one.
But y'all about to,
Same
y'all about to
thing.
peel.
Right now that the yuca is all peeled and we have a nice white flesh, I'm gonna show you how to cut it into chunks. If you do this with a knife, it's naturally gonna follow the middle of the yuca. And once you open it up, you're gonna see that there's a fibrous vein running down the middle of the root. That is not edible. It's gonna be very tough and stringy. So we're gonna do the same thing and quarter it. And now we're just gonna peel out that fibrous piece from the middle.
I didn't think so. Maybe why we have.
So we have our prepared yuca here cut into these little sections. I'm gonna drain off the water, and it's nice and clean and ready to boil. I'm just gonna add a little salt to the water. You wanna boil them until they're tender all the way through. The best way to test them is with a butter knife. So you want a knife that's not too sharp, because if it's super sharp, it's gonna go right through them when they're not quite ready. While the yuca is boiling, we're gonna prepare the sauce for the sudata. The The yuca will mostly cook in the boiling water.
Okay, that's all we need to see.
Okay.
Now, so let me print off a recipe.
See, let's see if we gonna mess some stuff up.
I like that one right there.
You like which one?
That one,
Yuca
where it say
fries.
yuca fries recipe. Down,
The fourth one.
right there.
This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see.
Yes, ma'am.
They got 3 methods here.
Choose one.
Wait a second, we were looking for, yuca fries recipe,
And skillet.
It's the
on
same thing.
stove, skillet.
Your capsules on.
Okay, I just turned them off.
It's gonna be the same thing. You can cook it on the skillet with the same recipe.
Huh?
Right, as long as you
Yeah,
don't cook it
but I needed to say because, when it says that's what you do, you can't make them how you do at your house. That's not how this goes. It has to be, I mean, that's just how people
Come on,
are.
bro, we making real fries.
Fresh yuca, we got the canola oil.
Oh, yeah, that was good.
Cut and peel.
Can I see the yuca again, Miss Flores?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
all right. Why y'all popping up? I mean, why you popping up? What's going on?
Do your thing, that's the video.
Come to recipe. print
Hey,
recipe.
Kevin.
This is how it's gonna say, how to make yuca fries.
Hey,
Yep, this is the one we're gonna use.
I will be writing green sheets by here, stuff like that.
Yep, this is what
Pay
we're
attention to
gonna
what you're
make.
supposed to do.
This is perfect. All right, let's look at this. How to make yuca fries. And incidentally, you have a young man here. This one says Venezuelan. And he told me, cause I said, we're gonna make yuca, cause I'm trying to be relatable. And he said that he didn't want any yuca, cause it's like, it was like the food that he had to eat to stay alive, like you know how some people eat ramen noodles and Vienna sausages? He said he would eat not Vienna sausages. Sardines. He always ate sardines and yuca. So he's like, I'm so tired of that, Miss Morris. So I want to, they're gonna make I'm gonna try and buy the stuff for him to make a Venezuelan meal. But I'm just saying it says
Oh, you know how to
Venezuelan.
cook?
I'm saying this is Venezuelan because, y'all see this word right here, Venezuelan? The yuca that y'all learning about, it is a staple or something that always Venezuelans eat.
Yeah.
So, right.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, you getting that African close off mixed up. Okay, so we're gonna have a yuca,
Keep going now.
2 cups of light oil. Okay, so this is how you read a recipe. You look at the title. You look at the prep time. Prep time means how long does it take to get it together? We're gonna cut our prep time because we're gonna prep today.
Period, okay?
Yeah.
And I see you.
Yeah. We're gonna prep today and that you guys are gonna peel your yuca.
Right now?
The cook time is gonna be cut too, cause I'm gonna boil it in an Instapot.
Oh, yeah, you true.
Yeah. And then, let's see here. So then the ingredients. I'm saying this for you, Rodney, cause you gonna have to know how to cook. That girl that you like, she ain't gonna know how to cook. So,
Keep on.
no, I'm just saying. So I'm just saying, I'm trying to tell you how to read a recipe. So then,
Come on, bro.
you look at the ingredients, okay, Rodney and Davin, that tells you what you're supposed to cook. Cause I promise you, Scion is gonna be that one that look, oh yeah, I know how to read a recipe, Miss Morris showed me how to do it. It said ingredients, he just put everything in there.
No.
Now,
No,
Stop
actually,
telling me,
Miss,
bro.
Oh, wait a second.
Actually, Miss Hart already showed us how to do everything for cooking.
oh, for cooking, okay.
Like
Well,
that.
I
I knew how to cook.
yeah, at your house. Well, how we gonna, but what did she
You
do
know
with a
she
recipe?
told
She tried to read a recipe.
Yeah.
Yes, Miss Hart.
Hey,
did that.
We
I
get
can-
life skills for the summer.
I can tell you
Okay,
all, I
after
can
you
do
look
all
at
the
the-
stuff to make
after
the
you-
fried chicken.
Let her talk.
After you look at the ingredients, you read
Guys.
the instructions. So that tells you, let me stand up here, cause y'all getting off. The instructions is how the recipe gonna turn out, right? Not by the So the instructions, this is what you're supposed to do for this recipe, Zion. You're supposed to cut and peel. So we're gonna, go do our yuca, cut it up and cut them into, I don't know if we'll be able to do that part. If anything, we're gonna peel,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah,
I'm a good peeler. I'll peel apples and stuff.
yeah.
My mama give me a bowl, and sometimes my granny do and give me a bowl and have me peel the potatoes
Just
over
peel.
the bucket and stuff.
You know what,
My granny be out me done. She give me a bucket and I just.
okay. So I'm probably gonna do this, I mean, not I'm probably, I am going to do the shallow cut lengthwise, like make it into fries.
So we actually have like directions.
But we-
So this is what you gotta do to prepare for it.
But we
All right,
gonna
right?
peel it.
Then you cook it. So again, you're not looking at the ingredients, Zion, and say, oh yeah, I know how to do this, I learned this from Mick Hawks, and just throw it all in the bowl. No, there's steps here. And this particular step tells you that you will be cutting and peeling. This one says cook, and they have here 2 different types. We will be using the Instapot. So just place the yuca in the Instapot, add water enough to cover the yuca, and salt. Secure the lid on the pot, close the pressure release valve, select manual, cook on high pressure for 10 minutes. When the time is complete, use the quick release, depressurize, drain and let it cool. So hopefully we'll be able to do that.
We doing that today.
Then, I know you're so excited, but I need for you to not get up yet. Then, after we let it cool, like this is a process, so just even hearing me say that it's a process, it's like a delicate, it's like something special, it's like something expensive.
Okay.
Even though it can be something like potatoes, but if it takes
It's
like,
like caviar.
well, I don't know how it is to prepare caviar, even though I hear it's expensive. All right, so once we do that, we cut the yuca pieces in half, remove the inner root, then cut into fingers. They're talking about the little, French fries. Heat the oil in a large skillet or cast iron with up to a half an inch. What's a half an inch?
You don't know how to introduce.
You show me with your hands what's a half an inch.
What's 5 inches?
Oh, hold your fingers up real high, let me see. That's a half an inch, okay.
Yeah.
So,
That's it. That's
wait, six,
Oh, that's a
inches.
foot.
This is a foot, but
What
with
is
your
it
hand, hold your
inch?
fingers up.
What is
A
it?
half an inch, first of all, an inch is between 2 numbers. Half of that is right here.
Inches like
Right,
this.
look.
Uh-oh, this is good teaching
This
right
is
here.
inch.
Right.
These 2 numbers,
Yeah.
1 and 2, the half is just between those 2 numbers.
Thank you. I did.
Thank you, so look how big your fingers were?
With a T.
That's still an inch, that's still an
No,
inch.
you trying to
There
put
you go.
it in there.
Yeah. How big you say, Zion? That's a half an inch. Look at this right
It's
here.
like an inch.
Okay, that's like an inch. What's a half an inch?
Half an inch like
Like this.
Oh, wow. A half an inch is halfway between these 2 numbers.
That's a half an inch. Look at
Yeah,
Rob.
you about right. Now look what you put up there right here, half an inch. That's 6 inches. You see that's from 6 inches?
That's a half a foot.
Okay. You can prefer, or you can use da-da-da-da-da. So, what we're gonna do now is look at an egg recipe. Yeah?
Miss
For the 5 of you, what kind of eggs are y'all wanting to make?
Scrambled.
Shrimp, boiled.
Scrambled.
Boiled
Boiled.
eggs.
Scrambled.
Boiled.
Scrambled.
Boiled.
That's 3 boiled.
It's like 5 scrambled.
Is there a such thing as a boiled egg recipe?
Bro, I already know how to make scrambled.
Yeah, that's how you do it at your house, but let's see if there's a
I don't
boiled
know
egg
how to
recipe.
I just know how to make
How to
scrambled.
make it, there we go.
I don't want mine. I want mine straight done.
Oh, yeah, straight done.
Like brown, I mean, yeah, like.
Miss
No,
Norris,
y'all
I think when
don't-
people eat their boiled eggs, don't say
When
this
I
out
boil-
loud yet. I think people just season it when it come out.
Yeah,
Like
that's
if
what
you
I
got
do.
lars, it's that
Salt and
lars
pepper.
and stuff like that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that'll make a good boiled egg.
Well, here,
I
I'm
make a
looking,
boiled egg, put salt and pepper and hot sauce on mine.
and what I do, you do. I'm Googling boiled egg recipe. And,
You want me to get on my computer?
no, I'm just saying. No,
we
not
like
at this
ours
time.
all
Y'all
the
keep
way
it on there.
down.
Say how to boil eggs perfectly every time. I've never looked this up.
Cause you.
What came first, the chicken or the egg?
The chicken.
Chicken.
This
Yeah.
egg, the egg.
The egg come first, bro.
Do you start with boiling water
No,
or do
the
you start
egg
with
comes
cold water
first.
when you boil eggs?
Cause before the chicken.
With cold water.
Before the chicken was a chicken, it was an egg.
You cold water, you let it get like.
Chicken come first, cause the egg,
I'm
the
trying to see
egg
if you
is
can
in the
answer
chicken.
this question here.
Hell.
Oh yeah, they got me with that one.
My baby.
So y'all making boiled eggs with your yuca?
Yep.
My baby.
They wanna make weird eggs with egg. I don't wanna even make boiled eggs.
Okay.
I don't wanna make eggs at all.
Everybody gotta do the same thing. This is all or none. Either we doing boiled eggs or we doing scrambled eggs.
Stuffed bell peppers.
We doing boiled eggs
Everybody
Boiled
was saying
eggs.
for boiled eggs.
or scrambled. You're not even doing eggs, you said.
I'm just voting.
Hold on.
Oh. Rodney, what
I
about
see
you?
something.
No.
I don't care.
I was gonna put the vote up there.
Oh, okay.
Boiled egg.
So look, we got boiled. And then we got scrambled. Raise your hand if you want scrambled. Raise your hand if you want boiled.
Rodney, you gotta go.
1, 2, 3.
I don't think I'm gonna eat that. I don't know.
Well, if since you don't know, just, okay, so y'all do boiled?
Nah.
Boiled eggs. So we
Now
need
that's
this.
how you problem solve. That's how you problem solve stuff without getting in arguments.
Yeah.
See, we learning stuff every day.
Right. So, this is called 3 steps to perfectly hard or soft boiled eggs. So, number 1, place egg in a saucepan or pot and cover with cold water. Eggs first, then water. Why? Because if you put the eggs in afterward, they might crack as they fall to the bottom of the pan. It's no fun to learn this the hard way.
That's actually weird, cause when I was used to making boiled eggs in my crib, I used to let the water boil and then put the eggs in. They used to just crack every time.
Yeah, and that's why you place eggs in the saucepan. Number 1, place eggs in the saucepan or pot and cover with cold water. What's number 2 say?
Put pan over high heat and bring water to a rolling boil. Remove pan from heat and cover.
Hey, Miss Morris.
How long does it take to boil an egg?
Well, actually, you want the water to come just to a boil but not stay there. Eggs exposed to high heat for a long time go through a chemical reaction that turns the yolks green. So the answer to how long do you boil hard-boiled eggs is pretty much not at all, because the eggs cook in water that's not actually boiling. Some people use the term hard cooked instead of hard boiled eggs. 3.
Wait a
Drain.
second, no. So what did you just read? Put pan over heat and bring water to a rolling boil. Remove pan from heat and cover.
It's really not a time.
Hey, Miss Morris.
This really isn't a time. If it's not a question about this,
Why don't we just make sunny side eggs?
because you're not eating eggs and those weren't even suggested.
Why is
Number 3, what does number 3 say?
Drain eggs immediately and put it in a bowl filled with water and ice cubes. Why ice water? It cools the eggs down and prevents the green yolk problem. Chilled water isn't cold enough. You want cold water with lots of ice cubes floating in it. If you're planning to peel the egg, crack them slightly before putting them in the ice water and let them sit in there for an hour for maximum ease off the peeling. But some people just peel their eggs by the side.
Okay,
I put mine
again,
in
we
ice
will be
water.
using a recipe. We're not doing what some people, what you do at your house.
They gonna be cold.
No, you're not.
An hour later, they gonna be cold.
Not for an hour.
That's
It's
what
like
you said.
5 minutes.
It just said it's gonna be cold.
Okay, so what do we need to do for our food prep? We are making, and then like what, okay, y'all have some eggs and you got, so what, y'all want? What kind of sauce? Y'all just eating, or just
Ranch.
salt?
Just
Ranch
season
and
it,
hot sauce.
ranch, hot sauce, and some
Seasoning.
and
Black
some,
pepper.
and some chicken
Salt.
seasoning for the eggs.
Slap your mouth.
Slap your
Slap your
What
mama.
is chicken?
Slap your arms. All purpose season.
I do got some stuff your mama at the house.
You got some
You
slimy
got lemon
mama?
pepper?
You got Lars.
I know you got lemon.
Yeah, Laura's already right here.
Seasoned salt.
Season
It's
salt.
in
That's what it's called.
You got that in there.
It's in your refrigerator. Yep. That right here.
So we got this, we
You
got
some lemon
this.
pepper?
We're gonna go with, okay, let's wait, everything that everyone's, blurting out, let's get some order here for our food prep. What all we need to do for eggs? Food,
We need hot sauce.
Red hot, under that Park Street.
No
I don't do anything Park Street.
Come on, you just.
Yeah, you're right, but I don't, my hot sauce, I have it,
That one.
Unless you bring that,
hot sauce.
like that one that you had me try with my nachos, remember that this morning?
Red hot.
what? With the nachos?
Red hot.
Okay, we're gonna go with what? We're gonna go with what I have in here. So, so for, have a seat,
Like that
Devin.
mama was a cheese factory.
For the eggs, we need, okay, this is what we have, we're gonna work with what we got, 'cause I ain't doing all that.
Please, what you got me, sir.
Oops, my foot's up here.
I got salsa,
That's it.
yep, I got this and salsa. I mean, I might bring some ranch, so let me put that right here. Have a seat, have a seat.
Have a seat now. I already gave you one.
All right, for the eggs, we're gonna need,
Sorry.
for the eggs, we're gonna need,
Give him his.
eggs, we're gonna need, what did they say, ice, we're gonna need ice,
For what?
To cool the egg down after it's boiled.
ice, and what else? We got seasoned salt.
Real hot.
Raw.
Miss Ward, you gotta bring that, that hot stuff you had me try with the nachos, remember?
I'm not, this, okay, that's not what
Ice cream.
all right, this is a boiling time, uh-oh. So if y'all
Fully
want, so
set. Oh my, fully set.
that's 10 minutes.
Fully said,
Oh, mine's not done at all.
soft and ready.
Ew. Where's it at?
Let me see, how we print this here?
Yeah.
All right,
I think more eggs.
how to print?
More eggs.
Okay, so we got how long to boil the eggs on there. That's good. So we gonna do one, front, back.
Sorry, none make what is. I'm a
Yup.
real chef at the house.
And then our yuca one was, where's that?
Oh, we should make omelets.
We could do that.
Omelets.
Almost with yuca fries, cut up in it, seasoning yuca
Oh, this
fries
is the
and
one that we're
almonds.
doing here, so let me print this.
I'm feeling walking.
How long was this? And it can be in color, both sides. All right.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're gonna go over to the kitchen.
You might as well stop the
And,
video, Miss Taylor.
Ooh.
No, she can't, not yet.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'll take the yuca over there, but I need everyone line up, present it well.
You're gonna have to add
As we headed towards the kitchen, I'm going past the printer so I can get the recipes off.
I'll put everybody's stuff up while y'all do.
No, come on. We're not gonna be gone that long.
Alright, when we come back, there ain't no pencils, don't say nothing to me.
Yeah, probably.
Follow the leader.
Boy, stop it.
I'm trying to understand when you know the rule is to not talk out and all. All right, so is how many of you guys, honey?
16.
All right. So for this class, I'm gonna go ahead and let you all peel the yuca. Everyone will get a chance. Just only one, you're only doing one half. proper way to wash your hands.
You already know.
We already learned that.
Okay, can someone come over here and demonstrate? No, I'm not, no. We ain't going by your no. No, we're going by what it says here.
First you rinse
Listen
your
to me.
hand. First you rinse your hands off. Then after you rinse your hands
Stop,
off.
we're not listening to you, because when you come over here and do it your way, this way is the way that you do, or, if you go to the doctor or a dentist, this is how they should do as well. That's why there's always, at every bathroom, public bathroom, there's a posting. Here's one right here, okay? So, they already have been checked off, but you haven't.
You rinse your hands off, then you apply soap. After you apply soap, you rinse your hands with the soap. Make sure you get, under your, fingernails and stuff. You know, you can sing a little song.
I don't sing lit.
You know, sing you a little song.
For how long?
20 seconds.
20 seconds.
Get you.
Watch how he rinses his hands.
Get you all in there. Then you make you one at a time with it, you know.
No, you shouldn't be rubbing your hands, you should be rinsing one hand at a time, yeah, which you were saying, Kevin.
Get your hands off, sit you. Then you don't turn the water on your head off until you get you some napkins, you know, dry your hands off, and then you know.
Wait, no, wait.
You know, we already got
There we are, everybody back up. Yep, then you take, David, you're not even watching.
Let me show you.
Wait, step back, Zion. There we are, after Kevion finished, you don't turn the water off with your hands, you turn it off with a paper towel. Okay, let's see if you watched it, if you
Don't
learned
tell me
anything.
that.
Right here, son. Yeah, you're good at this before. All right, no one else come over here. So the two that wash their hands, that's Kevion. I want you guys to do it for reasons. I only want these two to do it. The others will be able to do it tomorrow. So this is my personal one for my house. You put your finger in there and you just go down.
That's super safe.
Oh, okay.
It's not 4 people here, it's 5.
Yeah, okay.
It's yours.
You hold it and you scrape it down.
Oh my God.
It's nice, right?
It's not all like this, bro.
Okay. Now let's try it with this one.
That's the one where Granny behind me put potatoes.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so now, didn't look like that blade was turned around. Oh, none of them are turned around. Why? That one is now. Okay, now let's let Devin try. Okay, now try with this, Devin. You like that? Okay. All right. Okay. Well, okay. We'll stop tomorrow. We'll finish this. Put this in the refrigerator right there, on the left side. And then you clean this up right here for me, Devin. And then we have to head back to the room. We'll leave these here.
April's one.
Yep.
Put them like that was correctly.
Okay, put this one in there too.
And put it on my arm.
Here. I said on
Grab
the
me
left
that.
side.
Yeah, that bag.
Get the bag. Bring
Yeah,
it.
my bag is in there, isn't it? Oh, I must have said it in there. Yeah, put it on my arm.
Okay, here you go. So I think we got a skillet. This is our bowl for our boiled eggs. We'll leave these over by the sink. Put all these over by the sink. Let's head back to the room. I need everybody
I think so.
lined up
Just
properly.
sit it. Shut up, Miss Washington.
Everybody, go ahead and put away your things. Then,
Oh, you guys can't be on video.
and you guys have earned, the behavior bingo. So,
Miss Morris, you got a room, I would love to clean up your room. Yesterday it was spectacularly clean, now I feel like everybody.
So first, so clean.
okay.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so you guys have earned
Yeah.
48 squares.
We got a bingo.
I don't-
We got a bingo.
Let me see.
I got
let me
two
see.
left.
Bingo. We got
I got
bingo.
two left.
We got bingo.
I think I should.
We do, it's only 40 minutes.
No, it's 49. 77.
We made it, huh?
What it is?
Period. Period.
Okay,
Period.
so
Tuskegee.
get those right there.
Period.
Get those right there. Everybody, let's come over here and get your slips. You've all earned 48.
We got a bingo. We got a bingo.
Okay, come
Bingo.
Oh, yeah.
Remember, you only 8. You get 8 apiece. Go ahead, more than one can pick. But one at a time. More than one can pick, but one at a time.
Yeah, a piece.
8. You can.
You wanna do mine for?
Two blanks.
No, everybody's participating. Or they all go back. You don't participate. Your 8 go back.
We got a bingo.
Tell me the ones that I put these on.
Miss Taylor will also need someone to search her group copy.
In about 5 minutes.
Mr. Bird's coming down.
Oh, yeah. Oh, bingo? Bingo, you said?
Hold up. Come on, Johnny. 11. That's 29.
Wait, it's 5 of y'all. Y'all supposed to 8. That's 40. Okay. Here. Get, one more. Get one more. Get one more. That's okay. Because you're supposed to have 48, and I miscounted. I forgot.
13.
8 times 5 is what?
Oh, yeah.
That's 43. I got 5 more slips over here.
Oh, we get 5 more.
Mm-hmm.
About 8.
And 12.
5 more?
Can you press that one for me? What you got?
It don't even matter.
He got them. Count them.
That's one more. That's my fifth one.
No, it's not. I'm supposed to have 5 left. Nope.
What? What is? See, bro, you messing
Right,
with
so
me,
this
bro.
something already on this.
Man, but you playing, bro.
What's 13 plus 5?
Huh?
What's 13
I don't know.
25 plus 13.
I don't know.
27.
20.
I'll take everything off this board.
20.
Bro, come on, bro.
What you got?
Who got 8? Who got 8? Who got 8?
I'm not putting name on these.
I got 8.
Oh, that's a bingo then.
That's not a bingo, bro.
You got bingo already.
Let me see. Let me see.
We got like 7 bingos. You and him was 2.
Okay, so y'all gotta give me the numbers that y'all said y'all
Alright,
had.
here, no, we are.
They put all that up there.
Hey, hold on, y'all. 8. Who got 8?
Rodney. I got
No,
a
I got 9 already.
9.
What you got?
I got a 9.
10.
10. What a 10.
You got the
Alright,
10,
got
you
the
got
10.
10.
Okay, where's the 10?
10, Mr. Man.
Read that up.
Yeah.
I got the 10.
11.
Back over here. Back over here. Caveat.
I had to put that down.
12.
11.
I don't see
12,
10.
13.
13.
I got 13, 12, 11,
Oh,
and 10.
Where's 10?
10, 11, 12.
I got 14.
Over here.
These are ours.
Yeah, bring them over here. I
Yep.
just want all of
I
them.
got 14.
Oh, okay, so y'all did got bingo. So,
You know we got these.
so what, I got, those,
But you good.
just what I have here. I
Suckers
have
today,
the,
bro. We're doing suckers.
we doing suckers today, guys. That's it. Thank you, Ms.
No, I'm trying to hear.